Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about structures in AVEVA PDMS. In the previous video, we have discussed about the storage area and how these structures are stored in the specific manner, and then we have discussed about how to give the profile and then assign storage areas for a profile and also the node points. Now let us start creating new structures. Okay, so you can just go to select first the storage area, and then you can go to sections, and you can start with a straight section. That is the very simple thing. Okay, so yeah, so I'm starting with the first thing. So you can always go with single. There are three options: single, continuous, radius. We will discuss that in detail. For now we are starting with a single structure. Okay, so I will just try to create. If you want to verify anything, you can just select the confirmation. It will show structure first and then show you how it is going to get created. And right now we have only one option, that is explicit. You have to give x, y, z coordinates for the starting point. Okay, so I am going with explicit option. You are having this define sections section structure tab will open, pop-up will open, and you have to give different location for that. Okay, so with respect to world, I am just starting at the origin. I can just say okay right now, and my start point will be defined. I am just going for ISO 3 section, and then what you can do is you can either go with again explicit, and let us say in up direction I want my structure to be length of 5000, and I say okay. You will get a confirmation for the same. Okay, I'm just selecting zone and then going for a structure, middle mouse button properties, and this is the confirmation button. So this is okay, then I can accept it. If it is not, I can reject it. Okay, so I am accepting it right now, and you can find I section is getting created with the property of 203 20t by 60. Okay, and nothing is changing. Okay, so I can show you also confirmation of command. Okay, now I can again go with the second structure. Second structure I will create, I will redefine the start. Now I don't want this to be 500 5000, sorry. Now I am at origin. I want to move towards the north. Okay, in the north, let us say I want to move by 3000. Okay, that is my start point. Okay, and then instead of going for explicit position, I will go with the direction option. So start point will be same. You can define a direction. So I am right now going in up direction, and you can define the length. So I am going with 7500 as my length for the structure. Okay, now it is showing. Now it will not ask for confirmation. Okay, I can just say okay, and a structure will be created. Okay, now let us find this redefine start option again. I am just creating again a structure. I am going back to origin, let us say, and I want to give in north, let us say 3000. I have already done, so I will go with 6000, and by mistake I have defined start wrong. So what I can do is I will just say okay, and I can go with the option of redefining the start. That will vanish that point, and you can again go with the explicit option 0 0, and in north I will go with 6000. That will again redefine my start. Again I can go either go with explicit or direction option. In up I want this again to be 7500. 75,000. No, I don't want at 75,000. I want 77,500. I can say okay there. One more structure will be created. Okay, let us have one more last structure. I will just move it to 3, 6, and 9. Let us say equal distance, up direction, and this time I will go with 2500 as my height. Okay, so basically we have created 4 different structures in single command in a create section option with a single command. One, with explicit, one with the direction. So basically you have to go with start and end point, and depending upon direction, that section will be created, straight, inclined, or horizontal, vertical, whatever you want to give. Then there is a verification option, confirmation button. If you want to make it on, if you are not sure about how that structure is going to be created, you can just switch on this confirmation option. You can accept or reject depending upon the structure which is getting shown as a preview. And then you can have the redefine start option also. Once you define the start, if you are not sure that is correct, you can always redefine start and again go for the start button. Okay, so here we have created 4 different structures of different length. You can check with different options, north, east. So we have different structures. Now next, in coming video, we will talk about creating beams with this section, and there we have to talk about this NA and all thing, justification. Okay, P line justification, we will discuss this in detail. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. Thank you for joining. If you like the content, do like, share and comment below in this video. Also share this information with your friends. Thank you for joining.